When it's time to change your vehicle's oil, Bosch has you covered with our lineup of high-performing oil filters for nearly every application. The Bosch Premium Oil Filter has a 99.9% efficiency rating for catching particulates before they enter the engine and can hold up to 14 grams of particulates within the filter media. The Bosch Distance Plus oil filter features the same efficiency rating of 99.9% and a holding capacity of 29 grams, plus 2 times greater burst resistance strength versus the leading economy filters. Be sure to check your owner's manual for your mileage change interval to ensure correct engine performance. If you cannot remember the last time it was changed, you can visually check for signs. Engine oil should be similar to the color of honey. If the oil in your engine is very dark, this can be an indication that the oil has lost some of its lubricating properties and the detergents in the oil have done their job. If the oil level is low, it may be a good idea to change the oil and oil filter before the engine is harmed. When changing your oil, consult your owner's manual for the type and quantity to be used in your vehicle. To perform an oil change, you will need a funnel, an appropriate-sized wrench or socket wrench to remove the drain bolt, an oil filter wrench to remove the old oil filter, if necessary, an old drain pan, gloves, and protective eyewear. Cleanup rags and towels will also come in handy. Depending on the year and make of your vehicle, you will need either a canister-type filter or a cartridge-style filter. Refer to your owner's manual for location of the oil filter, as the removal process may differ between applications. Open the hood and locate the oil cap. Loosen the cap to allow the oil to drain easily. Locate the drain plug and position the oil drip pan under the drain plug. Use caution when touching the drain plug, as the engine and engine oil can be very hot. It is best to wait a few moments for the engine to cool. Using the correct wrench, remove the bolt carefully and slowly. Place the bolt in a place where it can be located later. Oil will begin to drain into the pan. This process can take a few minutes. When oil is completely drained, reinstall the drain plug back onto the oil pan before moving to the oil filter removal. Ensure it is tight, but do not over-tighten, as this may cause the threads to strip. It may be necessary to check your owner's manual for the correct torque specifications. Position the drip pan under the oil filter. Carefully unscrew the previous oil filter to remove it. This may require the use of a wrench to loosen the filter. Inspect the mounting surface where the oil filter was removed and remove any debris or pieces of the previous gasket. The mounting surface must be cleaned before the new oil filter is installed. Double-check the previous oil filter and make sure the gasket is present. Take care to prevent a double gasket situation, which could cause leaks. For best performance, smear a small amount of oil on the gasket of the new oil filter. Tighten the oil filter the recommended number of turns once the filter gasket makes contact. This can be found in the oil filter specifications on the package. Using a funnel, pour in the correct amount of new oil. When the proper amount of oil has been poured into the vehicle and all caps are tightly secured, start the vehicle and let it run for a few minutes. Shut off the vehicle and check the oil dipstick to ensure it is at the correct level. It is always good practice to recheck the drain plug and filter after the vehicle has been started and shut off to ensure there are no leaks. When the old oil is cool, pour oil into an approved disposal container with a screw-on top cap. You may consider using the empty oil container from the oil you just poured into the vehicle. Also, allow the excess oil to drain from the old oil filter to ensure it is empty and clear of oil. Many auto parts stores and service stations will accept old oil and oil filters for recycling. Never dispose of oil or oil filters into the trash, drain, or sewer, as this can pose a threat to the environment. To find your local source for high-quality Bosch automotive products, visit our website at boschautoparts.com. For professional assistance with your auto repair needs, contact an independently owned and authorized Bosch Car Service repair shop. Visit boschcarservice.us to find one near you.